Hi y'all, let's make some lunch for my husband. Tomorrow's getting 2 homemade chicken cutlets, sweet ours like Aunt Amanda with cheese, barbecue sauce, and mustard. I know it sounds weird, but it's really good. Don't knock it till you try it. In the other container, I am packing macaroni salad with farfalle noodles instead because we ran out of macaroni noodles and I was really craving macaroni salad. In the last container, I am packing a bunch of fruit, just some oranges, strawberries, and golden kiwi. I talked about the golden kiwi in the last video I did. I am completely obsessed with them. They're so much better than regular kiwi. And for his breakfast in the morning, he's getting a yogurt parfait. I'm just using Chobani vanilla Greek yogurt, strawberries, and vanilla granola. I am packing all of this in his lunch bag with some barbecue pork rinds, a Nature Valley crunchy granola bar, a chocolate chip Cliff bar, some fruit snacks, a Gatorade Zero, and his yogurt parfait. Bye, y'all.